Which preferred remote access tool Tor contact center RES? Support remote systems over the web? Option A. Net meeting. Option B. PC Anywhere. Option C. Log Mine Rescue. Option D. Remote desktop access. The correct answer is option C. A customer plans to install the License Manager (LM) on the same Windows server as the Contact Center Manager server (CCMS) PIEs, which IP address should be entered when the customer reaches this step in the installation process? Option A. The Nortel server subnet IP address of the server used for CCMS. Option B. The ELAN IP address of the server used for CCMS. Option C. The ELAN IP address of the switch. Option D. The Nortel server subnet IP address of the server used for CCMA. The correct answer is option A. A technician has just completed the installation of Contact Center Manager Server, CCMS, PLS, and Licensing Manager on a Windows server. The technician forgot to select the installation of the server utility, and now the installation process has been completed and the server has restarted. How should the technician complete the installation? Option A. The technician will need to have Nortel support personnel remotely install the server utility. Option B. The technician can reinstall the installation DVD and run setup.exe again, selecting only the server utility to be installed. Option C. The technician will need to restart the entire installation process, beginning with the installation of the operating system. Option D. The technician can install the server utility from a shortcut on the Windows Start menu. The correct answer is option B. You can install Contact Center Manager Server on a supported server by using one of several methods. Which method does Nortel recommend? Option A. Run the installation from a remote hard disk copy of the installation DVD. Option B. Run the installation from a remote DVD-ROM drive that is accessible from the server over the LAN. Option C. Run the installation from the installation DVD, and use the DVD-ROM drive that is part of the server. Option D. Run the installation from a remote DVD-ROM drive that is accessible from the server over the Internet. The correct answer is option C.